The Maharashtra Public Service Commission MPSC has officially released the MPSC Group C notification 2026 advertisement number 017/2026 to fill 2619 vacancies across various state government administrative departments. Important dates: online application starts 27 June 2026 from 2 p.m. onwards. Last date to apply 19th July 2026 till 11:59 p.m. Last date for fee payment 20 July 2026 for challan payment. Preliminary examination CBT commencing 27 September 2026 administered as an online computer based test. Post-wise vacancies and salary structure. The vacancies are distributed across 5 key cadre, offering distinct state पे मैट्रिक्स स्केल. देखते हैं वन बाय वन. कैडर, पोस्ट नेम, क्लर्क, टाइपिस्ट. टोटल वैकेंसीज 1864. पे स्केल प्लस अलाउंस. ये देखिए पे स्केल है 19,900 to 63,200 rupees. Second is assistant motor vehicle inspector AMVI 461. Total vacancy. Salary package 38,600 to 1,22,800 rupees. Third is tax assistant 282 vacancies and pay scale 25,500 to 81,100 rupees. Fourth is industry inspector vacancy 9. Pay scale 35,400 to 1,12,400 rupees. Technical assistant vacancies is 3 and pay scale 29,200 to 92,300 rupees. Next is eligibility criteria. Age limit generally between 18 and 38 years for the open category. The minimum age limit is 18 years for the tax assistant post and 19 years for all other positions. Age relaxation apply to reserved categories as per state norms. Second, educational qualification. A graduation degree from a recognized university is required for most posts. Industry inspector roles typically require a degree in science or an engineering field. Example, civil, architecture. Third is skill requirement. Typist positions require qualification typing. Credentials: Marathi as 30 WPM or English at 40 WPM, specifically for the clerk, typist and tax assistant posts. Domicile: to avail of reservation benefits, candidates must be a domicile of Maharashtra. Okay. Next is selection process. The recruitment process will follow a unified examination structure consisting of first preliminary examination and objective online computer based test CBT, scheduled to start on September 27, 2026. Second, main examination for candidates who successfully pass the prelim cutoff. Third is skill test, only applicable for typing intensive posts. Note: personal interviews have been completely abolished for Group C posts. Next is how to apply. Eligible aspirants can submit their applications directly on the official portals. Visit MPSC official portal or the MPSC online application system. Second, computer user registration, login and fill out the detailed digital application form. Third is upload required certificates, pay the exam fee 394 rupees for general open category. Concessions apply for reserved classes and submit. Would you like more details on the detailed exam syllabus, specific category wise vacancy breakups, are the documents required during online registration? Please comment.